How to use friends Amazon Prime account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use your friend's Amazon Prime account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to use your friend's Amazon Prime account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. It doesn't really matter whether it is your friend's account or maybe your own account. If they have shared the email and password with you, you can always log in using those. So you can basically open Prime Video over here, and when you launch the Prime Video application over here, you should be able to see this type of interface where you need to make sure you have the access to the email address and the password that maybe your friend or whoever else provided in this case. And once you do that, just make sure to go ahead and then enter the email address, tap the continue option, and also make sure to basically enter your password here. And once you enter your password, tap the sign in option, you will be able to use the Amazon account. This way you'll be able to use your friend's Amazon account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.